here in the Chilean mountains of northwest China's Gansu province. As you can see, the vast grassland stretches like a green carpet. The snow-capped mountains stand out in sharp relief against the blue sky. As China has stepped up its efforts in environmental protection, people of Uyghur ethnic group live at the foot of the Chilean mountains had witnessed the changes of ecological environment in the past years. Today, let's get close to one of them to know more.
I'm Shifang of Uyghur ethnic group. In recent years, the awareness to protect the environment of the villagers have been greatly strengthened, with more efforts put into the protection of the Chilean mountains. To preserve the grassland, local herdsmen would lend neighboring villages arable lands, on which abundant maize straws, the waste of crops, substitute the grass, and becomes food of sheep in every autumn and winter. Gradually, the grass in deep mountains has grown above the knee with less human activities. Meanwhile, the populations of wild animals have proliferated and the distribution areas have expanded. Many villagers become the protectors of the environment.